there, beautiful people. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our lovely community. Today, I'm going to share an insanely effective natural hair growth secret with you all. It's something that has worked wonders for me and many others. Yep, you guessed it. It's onion garlic infused hair oil. This DIY remedy is packed with nutrients that your hair will absolutely love. Trust me, this one's a game changer for your hair care routine. Whether you're dealing with hair fall, thinning, or just want to boost your hair growth, this oil has got you covered. All right, let's dive right in. I'm super excited to show you how easy it is to make this at home. First up, let's talk about the ingredients. You'll need just 3 simple ones, all of which you probably already have in your kitchen. Half a cup of olive oil or coconut oil, 1 small onion, chopped, and make sure it's finely chopped to release all the juices, and 2 garlic cloves, crushed. Crushing the garlic helps to release its potent properties. Easy peasy, right? These ingredients are not only easy to find, but also super affordable. Now, let's get cooking. This is where the magic happens. Start by heating your oil on low. You want to be gentle with the heat to preserve the nutrients. You don't want it too hot, just warm enough to infuse those amazing benefits. Keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't overheat. Once your oil is ready, and you can feel the warmth when you hover your hand over it, add your chopped onion and crushed garlic. Stir them gently to ensure they're well coated with the oil. Let them simmer for 5 to 10 minutes until they're lightly browned and all that goodness is infused into the oil. The key is to let them release their natural juices and nutrients. The aroma might be strong, but remember, it's all for that fabulous hair growth. After simmering, you'll notice the oil taking on a slightly golden hue. Let the oil cool down. This step is crucial to avoid burning yourself when you strain the oil. Once it's at a comfortable temperature, strain the oil to remove the onion and garlic bits, and voila! Your nutrient-rich hair oil is ready. You've got your very own onion garlic infused hair oil. This homemade elixir is now ready to work its magic on your hair. Store it in a dark bottle to keep it fresh and potent. Light can degrade the oil, so a dark bottle is essential. Now here's how you use this magical potion. Apply it to your scalp 1 to 2 times a week. Consistency is key for the best results. Massage it in gently and let it sit for at least 30 minutes before washing it out. This allows your scalp to absorb all the nutrients. You can even leave it on overnight for an intensive treatment. Just make sure to cover your pillow to avoid any stains. Consistency is key, my friends. Make this a part of your weekly routine for the best results. So, why onion and garlic, you ask? These humble kitchen staples are actually powerhouses for hair health. These veggies are packed with sulfur, which is a key component in the production of collagen. Collagen boosts hair growth and strengthens your hair follicles, making your hair stronger and more resilient. It's like giving your scalp a VIP treatment. Plus, the antimicrobial properties of garlic help keep your scalp healthy and free from infections. If you're dealing with thinning hair or just want to amp up your hair growth game, this DIY oil is your new best friend. You'll start noticing the difference in just a few weeks. Remember, natural remedies take time, so be patient and consistent with your application. Your hair will thank you for it. Keep track of your progress by marking your calendar. It's a great way to stay motivated and see how far you've come. All right, lovelies, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this DIY tutorial and found it helpful. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks. Your support means the world to me. Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite natural hair remedies. I love reading your suggestions and trying them out. I'd love to hear from you. Your feedback and experiences are what make this community so special. Till next time, keep those locks luscious and flourishing. Bye, take care, and see you in the next video.